archaeology people, they know each and everything, for the past 100 years or more than that, which the public may not know. And I am very much surprised how you are not aware that this is the CRZ area and you should not touch here and should not go for this kind of violation. So this is very surprising
So
to
we are
me.
not doing the field road to the top, sir. It is with laterite steps thereafter.
But see the distance where it
Because
is coming.
we are not putting
Had
the,
it been
everyone
100
has this that it
beyond
is
100
a road.
meters, no, had it been beyond 100 meters, no, at least
of doing some changes later on. Where it did you intimate it to GCZMA? Plus, we have a local BMC present here.
You saw your words because at that time you didn't know who I was. At that time you didn't know who I was.
that extent. But the thing is that had it been discussed or had it been put up to CRZ in the meeting, in the board meeting, there are learned people.
Actually, मरे ये ते कितें केलां हांवें ज्यांनी एक ह्या फोटो क्लासिफायड केला CRZ 1 सो तेंच्यांनी मरे थंयसर हिल कटिंग बीन करपाक जायना तेंच्यांनी सो तेंच्यांनी वायलेशन केलां CRZ सो तेज्या खातीर हांवें कंप्लेन केल्ली तेंचे सो आनी तेंच्यांनी स्टे हाडून दवरले आसा आतां एजन्सी GCZMA गोवा बायोडायवर्सिटी बोर्ड आर्कोलॉजी आनी PWD.
तुझी डिमांड कितें आसा?
म्हाजी डिमांड हे रिस्टोर करपाचें आनी स्टेप्स करपाचे. हेरिटेज सायट म्हणजे कितें स्टेप्स करपाचे अशें हिल कटिंग करून थंयसर आख्खी झाडां बीन कातरून सगळीं तेणी डिस्ट्रॉय केल्या सगळें आख्खें आनी हेरिटेज सायट म्हणटा तो मिनिमूच उरोंक ना आनी कसलो.
I am not very satisfied because first and foremost they have degraded this, they have destroyed the full slope. And as chairman of Anjuna Kaiswa Biodiversity Management Committee, I will take it up in our meeting. But I feel that this is, a total destruction has taken place, and it will be very difficult to replace back to restore it to its original condition. And this has happened only because the engineer in charge, instead of taking us into confidence along with the Department of Archaeology, overnight they worked. The media has seen that how they were working overnight and they bulldozed their way right up to the top. Now, who is going to pay for this? Is the common man who is paying the taxes going to pay for this, or are these people who are, for this destruction?
What is your demand?
My demand is do not build a road beside. A fort is supposed to be inaccessible from 3 sides, and only one side it is supposed to be accessible.
Discuss it. One board will have one opinion, but we'll have to together take a decision.